Our chickens laid a rubber egg. I think this old hen just laid an egg. This is an old Silver Lace Wyandotte. We didn't think she was laying at all. She's like 4 years old, but I just found her in this nest here. I'll show you why I think she's laying an egg. Here's 2 normal eggs. And there's a green egg and a brown egg. And then here's something crazy, something you don't see every day. And I'm pretty sure she laid it. It's still quite warm while the others are cool. Watch this. Wah, 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 wah. This is a rubbery egg. And sometimes those are laid by older hens. There's Brownie in the dry barn with the goats. Little bantam hens running around. There's a bunch of wet chickens and ducks. Wet chickens and happy ducks. We'll put those regular eggs down here in the egg basket. The family's home from a pool party. I'm gonna help them get in the house and then we'll show them this crazy rubber egg. Hey guys, I found something crazy. Y'all are gonna like it.
What is it?
It's a surprise, you'll see.
Where is it?
I don't think it's in the kitchen. I don't think we've ever seen one before. All right, y'all wanna see this?
Yeah.
I'm nervous. Is it something scary?
Ew! Wow!
It's an egg I found at the chickens.
How did you get that?
It came from the chickens.
Sometimes when a chicken's old or
Isn't that crazy, guys?
Can I hold it?
It's rubbery and soft.
Ooh.
you just bought it.
Yeah, guess who laid it?
Who?
The Silver Lace Wyandotte.
Aww.
What?
Poor little old chicken.
A couple things can cause this in your chickens. Very young chickens can lay these soft eggs. Very old chickens. Also, calcium deficient chickens. I've heard that chickens that eat too much spinach, because spinach has a chemical in it which blocks the absorption of calcium, can actually have soft eggs. In this case though, I think it's this old chicken because I saw her on the nest. And yes, our chickens do have free choice calcium down there at the barn. Our chickens laid a rubber egg. It's just so crazy. And now we're gonna pop
Don't.
it open. Look at that, it's so
please don't.
weird.
Can you pop it or cut it? It's so gross. Like I don't really want to touch it, but. Woo! So I think that's just the membrane that usually covers it.
It doesn't really have a shell.
It's just no shell. That's the membrane.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like whenever you peel a hard-boiled egg and it sticks and all that.
All right, let's just crack it right here. Oh.
Dad, use the knife. Hey, dinosaur, please.
No, oh.
Dad! He popped it on the table.
Ew. See, it's just a regular egg.
It's just a regular egg.
Ooh, look at how orange that yolk is. Looking good.
Let's pop the yolk. Ew!
It just looks like a regular egg. And there is what you might call a shell. It's really just that membrane. Feels like rubber.
You know, I did say to Arthur, you should eat that egg. But on second thought, I wouldn't eat that egg. Because the shell and then the covering, the bloom over it, helps keep out bacteria. And without that, there's probably a lot of bacteria in that egg. Well, that was crazy, fun, and kind of gross all at the same time. Thank you for joining us. I'm Art, by the way, from the Art and Bree channel. You should check out all of our other videos about homesteading, chicken raising, hogs, cows, animals, and tiny farm life. Goodbye.